Hello, welcome to my channel AX Santosh. You can follow the channel. My name is Santosh. In today's video, we are going to master PHP variables. The complete variable and PHP tutorial. Ready to master variables in PHP? This is a comprehensive guide which covers everything you need to know. In this video, you will discover all these things, fundamentals, step-by-step techniques, common mistakes, pro tips, and real life examples. Whether you are a complete beginner or a pro, and if you are looking to improve your skills, this video has something for you. We will cover introduction, what variable is, getting started, advanced techniques, common mistakes, pro tips, and conclusion. Don't forget to like the video if it helped you and subscribe for more variables and PHP content. Turn on the notifications so you never miss out on the latest videos. The first thing, introduction to variables in PHP. Variables are absolutely essential for each and every task on your computer. In this video, I will show you how to create variables. To do that, you should already have XAMPP installed. I'm on my local computer. I will go to my C drive. I will start XAMPP. If you don't know how to start XAMPP or how to install it, please check my other videos or tell me to create a tutorial. Start the Apache server and click on admin to confirm if your PHP instance loads up. So XAMPP Apache comes with the PHP, and here we are talking about variables. What variables are in PHP and why they matter? In PHP, variables hold data. Data can be anything that you store. When I was teaching for a college, students often used to ask me, "Sir, why do we need variables and what is the purpose?" And I always did this exercise with them. First thing that you need to do is go to your exam folder and create a new file. htdocs, I will just call this PHP tutorials PHP 1, and inside this I will create a new file and I will call this variables. This is the first thing that I advised these students to do. Create a new file and practice aloud. Variables are named memory locations. That is how you begin the PHP file, as you know. So variable has a name, for example, dollar of name, or let's just call it first name, is equals to, and we assign a value inside. For example, my name is Santosh. That is how you declare a variable which is of type string. You might also want to declare a number, for example, price. The price of the item might be $10 or $20. So for example, we type 20. In PHP, you can also declare something, a number with a point value, which is also called as floating point or double. Let me show you how to do that. I will just call this stock price. You can use camel case instead of underscore, that is completely fine. Of a particular stock is 333.33. That is how you declare variables in PHP. Once the variables are declared, we can go ahead and save this file, save, and you can save this under the exam folder. I will save this under the exam folder that I just created, which is php1, and I will show you the output. Always ensure that your file type is PHP. Once that is done, you can test it out. If I go to onevars.php now, it will not show me anything because we just created the variables and we didn't do anything. This is the common challenge or a mistake that you make when you go ahead and create a variable. You have already declared a variable, but some think that after declaring the variable it will show up on the PHP. No, you need to echo it out. This is the beginner's pitfall number one. Trust your expertise. You need to display the variable separately. For example, you will say echo and then dollar first name. If I say echo first name, what will it print? It is holding Santosh. The data is Santosh, so it will print Santosh on the screen. Let's see if that works. Yes, sure enough, it prints Santosh. How about adding some? I will give you a pro tip. You can add strings to the variables before printing it. To do that, you just do the name you entered is, and you close the parentheses because it is a string, and you do a plus operator which is called as a concatenation operator, and you print the variable value. Now it will print the name you entered is followed by the name. Let's see how this output looks. So as you can see, it says operand type string plus string, and it is not able to do something. These are the errors that you might find on your PHP. Let's debug this. We can put this inside and see what happens. And sure enough, this will work just fine. Now it says your name you entered is Santosh. That is pitfall number 2. When you are doing the assignments, always check the types as I discussed earlier. Variables, I have already told you that variables have types. So as you can see, we just printed a string variable. In the similar way, I will show you how to print the price variable. Echo again. In this case, I will use the /n first and then say the price of the item is followed by the name of the variable. The name of the variable is price, so I say price. Now that n we should take it on a new line. If that doesn't work, then we have a special tag for you. Let's just try something called as a br tag. If the new line doesn't work, we always have a br tag that we can use in PHP. Let's see how this works. That takes it on a new line and it says the price of the item is 20. That's wonderful. The next thing that I want to cover is the complex concept that we will cover in the next video. We will cover the advanced tips and strategies if this video gets 100 views or 100 likes, sorry. Next step is to go ahead and I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and engage with the content by putting the comments. So you might also want to check out the first video other videos that I have on the channel. Thank you so much for your time, and this taught you the complete variables in PHP. If you have any doubts, please ask me. I will make a video on that. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. The last one, I will leave it as an exercise, or I will just show you how to do that as well. Echo. This is the floating point. Before I end, the price, the stock price is stock price is, and then you just put the stock price. Always ensure that you put the same name, otherwise it will give an error. As you can see, it says unexpected end of file. That means that we haven't put a semicolon. These are the pitfalls that you should be aware about. And it says the stock price is 3.33. And with that, I will end this video. I will allow you to correct this output by getting it on the new line. That's an assignment for you. Thank you so much, and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.